Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out for Miss D, and she's saying that Miss D is encouraging bloggers to come and, talk about her, Tina, and other people. She's saying that when she's ready, she would come out and choose a couple of the bloggers that she would say that she like, and then she would say, "Oh, I like this one and that one and the other one." And those people would have been the people that would have come out against her and other bloggers that, maybe would have posted her or stuff like that. So she's saying that basically that's what's happening on social media. And so she's out for her now. She's also saying that she has money just like anybody else or just like her. And she's not jealous of her because money in America is more than what's in Jamaica. So she's saying that, listen, is this a couple $1,000s in America is over $1 million in Jamaica. So why is it that she would have been jealous of someone that's living in Jamaica when she's living in America? She's also talking about everything that's happening on social media from, people dragging her down because of Miss D. And she's saying that, man, she's here to talk just like Miss D's able to speak. She said that Miss D come out and she talk her mind when she's ready. And she is, a blogger as well, not just a entertainer. She's an entertainer and she's going to come out and she's going to speak her mind as well. And this is what she is doing. So guys, if you would like to hear more of what Marcia has to say, go ahead and catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And also, please hit that notification bell so when I post, please, people, subscribe. Okay? Because there will be more videos coming out. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthday today, what do I have to say to you? Happy birthday! And I wish you joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout the year. Okay? And for all my other followers, I wish you a wonderful and peaceful day today.
That righteous passion just sit down one fucking place like a coronation blood clot market. So anybody was stagnant as she, nobody not stagnant with the pan road up and down hard, but we have what we're supposed to have America. We don't give a fuck. Yeah? What you think say? A 6 or 7 blood clot $1,000 a million a yard. You have $1 million. 6 to 7,000 blood clot US dollar. Every fucking 6 months or 7, 8 months, a partner draw that for me. You understand? So are for people. We don't cater about no blood clot money. Girl have show office, what kind of pussy clot money? Eh? What kind of money? We cater about the money. She for charity, she run stay in her charity lane. What the fuck she doing a mix up? Eh? All Facebook full of mix ups so from she come from social media. And the mix up near go on boy until when she come and I do fuckery. And we as God people, we see the injustice and the fucking thief in this what she are going with. With she and our people them. What happen? We finna talk. Jesus make good people and he make bad people, but we all can change. You understand? That's why I'm saying he's here for the sinner and not the righteous. We can't repent. Mrs. Jaban go show some picture when she first started charity. Slim and look good in a church like a sister Mary. Blood clot girl turning a one piece of pussy clot rebel after she start make money. Eh? Alright then, she not sell something then before she come on social media. According to her, she not sell her little 1 and 2 pudding. She not fry her fucking piece of barracuda fish them and her little herring sprat a carry her work, right? Okay. But then the fucking time there, she never have no wig, she never have no fake Gucci, she never have no fucking good clothes to wear. She still have an damn piece of old dry toasty head laying to the side like a blood clot cutter. She was wearing one little flat blood clot slippers. Her piece of toe them come out a piece of old cheap blood clot boot them when she have on a wear go church. Her fucking clothes them when she wear look like a Joseph coat of many blood clot color. And she catch her for a fucking piece of old $100 hat her pussy clot head side and go church. She didn't look much better. Look pan her. Look pan how the girl look like any blood clot buffalo right now. Because she well relaxed. Money are coming left, right and center. Left, right and center. Left, right and center. Money are coming. When she can't sit down, she not figure work. She quit her fucking job. Where you quit your job for? Where you quit your job for? That because the charity money sweet you. Where you quit your job for? You know want get a little pension. Money no can't go book back. Suppose one day you have a couple $1 million and you go at the bank and it disappear like a Usain Bolt. You have bumble clock big liar forget it back? Huh? Oh, so you expect say the people them give you know can't go to bank and somebody hack in your account like all the people them say the money disappear. Eh? Then you come now. You have one piece of slippers. Now you come pan show. You don't have nothing to give. The way you're so fucking lie and dishonest. You can't even look in at the fucking camera when you talk. Because you don't have nothing to talk about. You don't make no fucking sense. Oh, you know, I pay 2,000. I'm gonna go back. You know, say Gucci and you have Payless and Walmart joined together. So Payless and Walmart, you see Walmart and Pretty Girl, that I feel like a cheap store, you know, join together because she a show off, you know. Oh, you have this store, so me going to go back in there later and buy a t-shirt. Who gives a fuck about your fucking t-shirt? We cater if you buy a t-shirt for $100 or $200. And the fucking people in my Mountain View are starved, want a little food for them. And you come on social media, but people have to understand, you know. And me, she a brought pan, you know, because she knows me have my little $2 in my purse. Maybe I find one little $10, if you know how much in there. But she knows, and me she attack, because she knows me have my little $2 in there. But she a boss. What the girl a do? She a boss pan her ex-man, them woman. You not get the drift. And we she a boss pan a foreign, you know, but she act like a boss. She a boss pan the people up a Mountain View. Big up to the good of people on Mountain View. Anytime she give out rice and flour, don't take one blood clot from her. Make it handy and pour upon her. Make she go out of the ear and go give it. Don't take nothing from her. Then she can't go pop style pound. Anytime she give you nothing, don't take that bummer clot. Don't take it. Make she go go carry that pussy clot, go downtown. Go give it to you homeless people. Big up to the good of people from Mountain View. Yes. Aha. I know we share show off, man. She a show off on her matey. You think we share show off on? I show off on the man, woman. And I show off on him baby father. That's why she can't bring up his subject all the time. Because if he never burn her and at her show, bring it up, so the man just fuck her one night and marry the next day. And left her with that big ass belly. Because if your pussy did good, he wouldn't left you. He would have married to you. 3 pitney in you. Pitney in a pussy clot belly and go marry that woman. Because you're too fucking vulgar. You understand? And jealous. And pussy clot ghetto. That is why. Because the man couldn't give me 3 pitney. Because any man me I talk to serious man, you know. And because of people man me I taking up, me not force them blood clot in America. Me don't want a pussy clot commitment. So I make sure I take a girl blood clot, man. You understand? If it's nice and comfortable, I take him pussy clot. So you see any man me there with right now, people man. People man nice and blood clot comfortable. Because me don't want nobody. Me don't want no commitment. So I can fire that blood clot anytime. Yes. So we don't have the time to itch up. We are independent pussy clot woman. We do what we want to do. And we just take a girl blood clot man and them love the pussy and then coming back. And we take them, use them, and we say get the fuck out of here. We take them when we blood clot want them. You understand? Because we are independent woman. We not come make a man come fuck with day, night and out. When we want a little dicky, we send for that blood clot. And then we spend the money for ourselves. Where the woman them, when no say them blood clot free, nice and comfortable people blood clot man and nothing can do about it. I've got your man. So if your pussy good and can't hold him, going to stay. And we just take we just take a girl man and we just say whatever. Share that blood clot. We don't have no time for force of one man. Show some love. Show some love for the woman them out there. Where we know so we take a girl blood clot man and then can't do nothing about it. That's all. That is it. We take a girl man, them have to share that blood clot. The man them that jail. Them have to share it. Them have to share that blood clot man. What they take this thing for? Them have to share it. Bam right there, so. Them have to share that bomb clot. That's so we say. And we not cater. Man nice and comfortable and love the pussy. Make them come. Make them get it and satisfy what them want to do. Command them. When you have them man like that, you can command them to do any fucking thing you want. Once you have your good, nice pussy for all them, any love making you want to get that blood clot. We not business. We not have the time for a show off. We don't have the time for a show off for no girl. And a show off for mate. Because we know some man ration. So we have to take a girl blood clot, man. Right, so. Yes. So where the girl them there will love take people, man? Where the girl them there? Where the girl them take people, man? We not going at them way go interfere. When it's your time, it is your time. When it's not your time, it's not your fucking time. We are bex for. You not going to enjoy your life. What are you vexing for? We don't have the time for vex, but that. May I tell you, this upon is very tight. We don't have no time. Who have time for a run down, man? You know, with time, you're now 60 years old, and 50, and 40, and 70. We have the time for a run, we have the time for jealous of a man. Jealous of what kind of blood clot, man. When is your time, is your time. We don't have no time for man, serious. We don't have the time for that. Like some girl out there, man, and we can't even get 3-4 hours with them. We don't have the time for that. Independent woman, a yes over yes so. Marcia, we're going to give it to you. We don't have the time for show off for man. Share that blood clot, dick bitch. Share it. Oh, me dead too far down. Share it. Share the dicky. What the woman them up here, we take nice people, man. We take people, man. We don't cater. We just take a man. And them come to it. We never blood clot call to them. Put some thumbs up. Put some thumbs up for all the woman them. We don't give a fuck. We have our money, we spend, we independent. And we just take a girl blood clot, man. Then did we put a pussy clot gun? Show some love for the girl them out there. We are share a man. Share, and we don't want no blood clot commitment, boy. Put up some love. Put up some love. The blood clot, man, them there are prison. And them are taken already. If them love the pussy, them come right back. If your pussy not good, they're not coming. And if your pussy good and they love you, them going to take up for you. Then we put a blood clot duppy back now, boy. For this a pussy. Show us some love. Show us some blood clot love around here. Make some girl know. When you have the good tight pussy where you can't quit that pussy, the man have to come back. He have to lie too, no. And say blood clot, we are going to woman, they have to lie. We are go to a friend. You understand? That is it. So we not cater. Show some love, boy. So it makes sense in our cuss for. It don't make sense in our go and suffer. It don't make no sense. It don't make no fucking sense, honey child. It sure don't. No, that is it. So we not cater. We not walk a ball over man. We now walk a sit down and a look for man, if you come look for we. We go about with business, go enjoy life. Yes, that is it. We go about business, go enjoy life and go business at dinner and go name and come back and go about business. We don't have the time to sit down for a man. When you're experienced and you've been there and done that, and you've been through whatever you need to be through, we don't need to sit down and worry about the man. It's low self-esteem, sit down and mad over blood clot, man. We ain't got no time for that. If you not sit down and mad over blood, bumbo clot, mad over girl, then who are mad over a girl? We are near pussy bug around here. We never know say we are near pussy around here. Then me know say me no blood clot, let's be a strictly dicky. So you go tell me, say, why would I worry about girl? Girl not even look pussy clot attractive. Then all the bumbo clot we have to worry about girl. Eh? If I a girl let upon the last hurt, and me need somebody to suck my pussy, you wouldn't be she. Me rather go in the blood clot sea and open up my pussy clot leg and make a shark come name that blood clot before she come name that pussy clot. Then I wait upon she. Then they wait upon she. Me rather go open up my blood clot foot in the sea and make a fish then come name that pussy clot than if she was the last woman and me need some pussy. Some little sex to feel good. Me sitting at the blood clot see how make a fish then come near me. Then jealous of who? Jealous of who? If me not fuck woman, it'll be a nice, attractive woman. Nice and slim and attractive. Just like how my man them nice and slim and good looking and tall. So if I'm gonna take a girl for near my pussy, he have to look good. He have to look attractive because the woman have to look attractive. Because if you don't look attractive, if a man don't look at you can't deal with him, he have to be nice. So before anybody are jealous over she, Then what? The parashi, if it's my jealous upper. I mean, get the fuck. I mean, what the fuck? Jealous. Eh. But I have to go look for one heel in the ocean. Me have to go look for one dolphin. And then a dolphin, when I look at a dolphin who would do a better blood clot job. Me look for one, go look for one dolphin. A dolphin is intelligent, somebody. A dolphin, not a pussy clot, bomb clot, but jealous. Huh? Jealous way. Huh? Anybody can buy a blood clot back nowadays. Them have app out here, whole heap of apps out here. Anybody can go on any blood clot app now. You have your credit, you have whatever, you go there, you put the bag in a 4 installment or 6 installment. I the girl them I don't know. Them they on every page. Gucci page, Chanel, every page them take them. Now anybody not come, and it's only people who not used to come on social media. It's only people who not used to bag. Remember the girl not used to bag, you know? I want crocus blood clot bag and scandal by the girl walk with, you know? So you have to take time with her. You have to make sure so the girl not used to one pussy clot. That is it. She not used to nothing. She not used to nothing. So you have to understand. Remember say a scandal bag the girl used to walk with, you know? So you have to realize. So you have to realize that scandal blood clot bag the girl walk with. Then it's a new phone service they must send me. I must say one phone on me have here. So $11.99 benefit customer sell. Then it $11.99 I give % off a phone now. How will you say? The $11.99 wireless program in partnership with Customer Cellular offer members and their family affordable flexible wireless service plan. As a heartfelt thanks to those who all save lives and keep us healthy and safe, we are presenting an amazing offer. Enjoy a $50 discount on each line when you make the switch today. It's a simple process that could half of the wireless bill. Connect today by calling 1-800-VISIT. Ross, $11.99. $11.99. I give away same thing. Yes, $50. Plan start at $20. Flexible, no contract. Plan with free activation. Add a line for just $15. Get the exact same premium coverage as major carrier. Ross, me have to go call them. Cause if them make we get $50. Enjoy a $50 discount on each line when you make the switch today. And we are say, me I tell you, $11.99 I go on with things. Me I go call them. Yes, my dear. We not business with nobody. We not come up every day and talk shit. We is a bully. None of you not bully me. None of you not come on social media and chat the fuck you my years old. Me I live nice and comfortable. Me I live very nice and comfortable. She have maid service. Me have maid service too. Qualified maid service. Qualified maid service. Trained, well trained and qualified. All right, me call that one now. Yes, we not have the time for foolishness. But we don't come out with no fuckery. And because we don't want people for and because we don't want people. We don't want take the niceness and done. Take the fucking niceness and done. We don't cater. I just came in. I'm taking stuff out. I'm coming. I'm taking stuff out. You have a lot of stuff. I just pull up. I'm taking stuff out. Do you have a lot of stuff? No, I'm not gonna finish for now. You have stuff in the car? No, it's okay. I'll let you do it. Yeah, how long you gonna take? Like half an hour or less? Okay, it's okay. I'll let you go. It's okay, because I now come up and my vehicle I can stay right there. It don't make no sense. Yeah. Yeah. Me always block the ramp, I'm not supposed to block it. Because people have to come get them things. We're not business. We're not business with no girl boy. If you don't like